Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the animals and show you some of the new birds I got. These are two roller pigeons. I got them when they were like 2.5, 3 weeks old. And I raised them up. They just started to fly 3 days ago now. So I built them this big pen. It was kind of a last minute pin, but it works. They like it. I was thinking about adding a couple quail in here. I also wanted to show you I got a new little D'Anvers hen and a sizzle. I don't know anything else except she's just a sizzle. She's pretty cool, I really like her. And back here I got a white Duclé. She should start laying anytime now. I also had 3 Suramas hatch out 5 large fowl chicks. I don't have a clue what they are. I know some of them are the Easter eggers, the mutts. Should lay like a greenish tint egg. But I don't know what that little brown one is right there. Or the white ones. There's the other little brown one. I also found out that my little Surama rooster there is sterile. So he can't ever have babies. I got a little Surama hen. She's about 11 weeks old. There's the rest of the D'Anvers. I sold the little black rooster and traded him for this hen actually. I'm hoping to get another Surama rooster so that I could breed my Suramas. I might have to order some eggs online or something. I have a little extension cord going up, so I have this light going for these Surama hens because they don't go up there with their babies. They just sleep right down here, and the light also shines into the pigeon cage so that they kind of have some light. It's not completely dark out here for them, which is kind of nice for when it gets stormy. I can just come out here and check on them. That rooster back here that's not in the cage, he tore a muscle or something in his leg, so he's not walking right. So I took him out of here so that that rooster can't fight with him. But here's my update. Thanks for watching.